Okay. All right.
Elegant Empire.
Challenges are not new to me. Nothing under the sun can shake me anymore. What is it? Name it. I have seen it all. I am that individual that sees beyond present challenges and setbacks. I take every step of my life fearlessly, like a lion, and ready to take over and break every bounds. So today, I thought it to myself that perhaps it's pertinent for me to take a little time to talk about myself. Well, it's been God all the way. It's been God all this while. I appreciate God Almighty for taking me from grass to grace and for keeping me strong, focused, and recording great achievements. It's not been easy. You see, when I think about myself, I think about where I came from, and I think about where I am currently. I see nothing but God's grace and love upon my life. See, my friend, if you ask me how, I can't explain, because me, myself, I don't understand. I don't understand why God would love me this much. Who am I that God Almighty has chosen to take me this far? So, I just want to take a few time to appreciate, first of all, my parents. These two great people have been so wonderful to me. Right from when I was a baby, they have shown me too much love. I cannot remember to forget to say thank you to them. They are such an amazing set of people. All right, so to my siblings, I want to say thank you to you. You guys have been so supportive to me over the years. Although we have our ups and downs, it's very usual in families, but I see the love that we share, and I want to say I really, really appreciate all of you. Thank you for having me as your brother. All right, to my staff and the team of Elegant Empire Music and Films, I want to say a very big thank you to you all. I wouldn't be able to pilot the affairs of this company alone, but not for the fact that you guys have come together and have seen the vision and have decided to key into it. I want to say thank you to you for being supportive and for being there. I really, really sincerely value you. And then for my friends, I want to say thank you to you for being there at all the time. All right, so if you are my friend, you know yourself. I want to say thank you to you. You have been so supportive to me at all the time. Anytime I call out for help, you always show up. I want to say thank you to you for being such an amazing friend. And this is strictly to whom it may concern. And lastly, for my fans and supporters all over the world, I want to say thank you to you all. I wouldn't be able to do this without your support and your encouragement. I don't know. Every now and then I see lovely comments on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, even on my DM on WhatsApp. You that always stop by to say hello to me and to send goodwill messages to us, I want to say thank you, because you are so very amazing. I really sincerely appreciate you. All right, so the big one. All right, on the 17th of April 2024, I am going to be completely 32 years on this earth. I want to say thank you to God for this life. It's not by my strength, it's been you and you and you alone. And I'm calling you all out there to come all out. and celebrate with me. It's my big day. It's gonna be an amazing moment at the beach, at the waterside. I am gonna be hanging out with every loved one, friends, family. It's gonna be an amazing moment for us to stick together and rekindle the love like family. A moment for you, you listening to me right now that have been wanting to see me, that you've not been able to see me for a while because of my schedule. I think it's high time you fix this time for yourself. On the 17th of April, don't be found wanting. I want to see you in my party. It's gonna be a sit-out party with Elegant. All right, so be there. And just in case you don't know, my name is Elegant Akpabio, and I'm out of here.
Elegant Empire.